Okay, so we've been talking about counting back using number lines and using things. So today we're going to practice that, but we're going to use counters. So what I want you to do,
Can I go after him?
when he comes back, you can go. So what I want you to do is, can we organize these in a way that will help us count them better? How can we do that?
We could put them in fives.
Put them in fives,
And
yeah.
I have 5, so I could do 5 of shots,
Yeah.
5 a total.
Oh, that would make sense.
Oh, yeah.
So
How do we organize those fives? Do you remember, Amelia?
we will put them by 5s.
How does it look like on...
This is on top.
For candy, it would look like this.
Good, Claire. So like, look at how Claire's organizing her fives. Do you remember how we had been talking about doing it like that? So that way we can just look at the 5 and know that it's a 5. Good.
I'm gonna put Cookie on the top. She's the queen of the Shopkins.
Queen of the Shopkins.
And 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay, so we're gonna start with 10. So the first number, I'll write it. I'm gonna write a missing subtrahend number. That just means it's a subtraction problem. So we've got 10, and we're gonna take away some, and we're gonna have 6 left over. Okay, so what do I need to do?
You need to take away this 5.
Okay,
And then you take away 1, and then you'll have 4 more left.
very good.
I'm not gonna take the queen.
Okay, so then how would I fill this problem in?
You do 10 minus 4.
Good. Equals 6. So let's say that again.
10 minus 4 equals 6.
Okay, so now we're going to do some that may not be tens. Uh-oh. Okay. They may not be tens. It may be a different number. Are you ready, Amelia?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to start with, I'm going to write it a little differently too. So when you look at it like this, how many should we pull to start with?
We should take away 3.
Well, how many are we starting with? Check what we're starting with. 7. So build 7 for me. Ooh, I like that you knew that was 5. Good. Okay, and let's put the other ones to the side so we don't get
3,
confused.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Good.
We could eat them.
Okay, so put them to the side so we know we don't need them. All right, and we know that we are going to be taking away how many?
We're going to take away 3.
3.
So you take one of these.
All right, and what do you have left, Amelia? 4. So when we start with 7, and are we ascending or descending?
Descending.
Good. We're descending by 3. We get what number?
We get 4.
4. Good.
So we
All right, let's do a couple more. Okay. Okay.
So
Good. I like that. You made a 5 first.
5,
Good.
6, 7, 8. And then descending?
What do you think?
7. Descending.
So we have 8, and we're going to
2.
2. So take all of them away except 2.
Oh.
Let's put these on the table so we don't confuse them. All right, now take them all away except 2.
Except wait, I took
So we're taking some away, and then we're gonna have 2 left. Good. All right, now how many did you take away?
I took away 4, 5, 6. I took away 6.
You already had 2 that you had. Okay. So how many did you take away, Amelia? 6. Okay, so in this pattern, 8 to 2, we are descending by how much?
By Wait,
How many did you take?
Descending about 6.
Descending by 6. So since it's descending, I'm going to do a subtraction symbol. Is that backwards?
What did you eat for
I'm
lunch?
writing upside down. Is that better?
Yes, I do. Yes, but
Okay. So 8 descending by 6 will give us 2.
2.
Okay, let's do 2 more maybe, and then we'll move on to something else. Maybe we'll just do 1 more.
Yeah, I want this boy.
Okay, so what's the first thing you need to do, Amelia?
Get 9.
Make 9.
Shotgun. These look like little keys. Like keys for your car. And these are keys. And some of them are keychains. Those look like keys actually for houses. Yes, or for cars.
Good.
We're trying to 8.
John Bradley, come out.
Miss Harper. Well, let me go down. Here, I can help you.
So you're making what number, Claire? Claire, you're making what number?
The number that you're making is 9.
Good. So check yours. 5.
6, 7, 8.
Good.
9.
And we're going to what number?
1.
1. So let's see, how many do we need to take away to only have 1 left?
4, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. So what would I put here? 9 take away.
Take 9, take away 8
Equals 1.
equals 1.
Very good. Okay, let's push these to the side. I'll let you, why don't you pick one to eat right now?
Can I pick one of those?
Would you mind sharing with it? Just
Not
one?
the cookie. Yeah.
Okay, so then let's push the rest to the side. Oops.
Tastes like apple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Open up your interactive notebooks for me, and we are going to glue in a number line. You may have to turn it so it'll fit. So why don't you cut it out?
Is it okay if I also do this one?
Why don't we wait on that one? I don't know. It might be just falling out. So let's cut the extra off so that it'll fit. And you may have to turn it sideways, or it may even have to go diagonal, depending on.
Cut it so long. Yeah, it won't fit that way. This is bubble gum. This tastes like apple bubble gum. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but please. What's this?
Click on the speakers. Thank you, John Bradley.
It said something that was red with a 5 on it.
Look at that. Looks like fire dog.
You want me to help her?
Let's try and figure it out, and then I'll come help you in just a second.
It's something. Yeah.
You can go now.
Thank you, John Bradley. Are you writing your sentences and illustrating them
Oh,
on the paper?
Oh.
can we do it diagonal?
That's fine.
Yay.
Well, these are all mixed up, so I'm gonna have to shuffle them.
Okay. Claire said you might have to do it diagonally.
Nope. I can do it this way. I understand one.
Okay. Up to you.
Just up to you. Do it this. It's your choice. I'm gonna cut on the line. I just have
It might stick out a little bit, but I think it's probably fine.
Yeah, that was hard. Oh my gosh, what happened to my glue stick? I don't even know.
Sit.
I like to dab it because it just works for me.
We're all about what works for you. All right, stick it on so we can work with it. All right, here's you a pencil.
I'm gonna put it down.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna give you a number to start with and a number that we're going to end on, and we're gonna hop and then count our camel humps, right? So if we start with 7,
If you need help.
first we need to decide, are we ascending or descending?
Descending.
How do you know?
Because there's a 7 at the front and at the end there's a 4.
Okay, so the 7 is what then 4?
The 7 is 3.
Greater or less than 4?
Greater.
Greater than 4. So if it's greater and 4 is smaller, then it's going to be descending. So let's put our pencil point on 7.
And circle.
Hang on. Yep. Oop, I like it. Circle 7 for me, Amelia. Hands down for right now, and I'll answer them in just a second. Grab a dry erase marker. Okay, touch 7. And let's count back. I'm going to do it with you. Let's count back from 7 to 4. Ready? 7, 6, 5, 4. How many camel humps did you make?
3.
3. So we are descending by
3.
3. Very good. Okay. Let's see if you can erase those camel humps so we don't get them confused with some more. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just don't want you to get them mixed up. Okay. Ready for another one? Are we ascending or descending, Amelia?
We're
Descending because 0 is less than 5, right? Hang on, Amelia. So the first thing we need to do is what?
We need to circle the
Circle the 5 and then circle the
0.
And then let's count backwards. Hang on, Amelia. Speedy Gonzalez over there. Touch 5, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. How many humps?
1, 5.
So you got 2 clear? Okay, so Amelia, we are descending by how many?
5.
By 5. Very good. Okay, let's do one more like this, and then I'll give you some practice to do. Okay. Ooh, thank you for erasing. I forgot to tell you that. Please make sure that you're working. Thank you. Okay, Amelia, tell me what you're doing. Hang on.
I circled 4 and then I circled 1.
Good. Circle 4 and circle 1. Start at 4. Everybody say 4,
4,
3.
3,
Keep going.
2, 1,
A million times thing on that.
3.
How many did you get, Amelia?
I got 3.
3. Okay, so we're descending by
3.
3. All right. Okay. I'm going to give you a sheet to do, and why don't we glue it right on the page, like right here, so that we can use our number line.
Okay.
Or you can use your, well, no, we're not going to use this. All right, so glue
Oh, yay.
that in.
Need help.
Oh, yes.
Accidentally ran away from me. Oh,
Okay, thank you, John Bradley. She will tell you if she needs help. No, you're just pulling them to make
Some
a
of them
silly.
don't make sense.
Well, they're silly sentences. Okay. So let's touch A. Can you put your finger on A?
A. I need to turn this okay.
Well, you may not need it because we can grab and count back. Or you can look at it.
Where's the?
You want to flip it?
Yeah, I'm flipping it.
Okay. All right, try and do A for me.
Nine, 8, 7, B, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So you're going from 9 to what?
Oh, to 7.
That would hurt.
9, 8, 7, 2.
Okay.
What?
Okay. All right, go ahead and do B. Why don't you try B on your why don't you try it on your number line?
Yeah, 10.
10, 8, 9, 8, and 6. We do C. That'd be 4.
All right, you can keep going. I can tell that you know what you're doing. Go ahead. Grab a book. There's a lot of books.
Hatcher won't let me read any of those. You can? Hatcher, you can play. If you wait, then you can.
Miss Harper,
Yes.
what's this? I know it's a count, but it has to go with one of those.
Time.
Okay. Thank you.
Good. Go ahead, Claire. Finish your last one for me.
Can I go put my water bottle up? 2,
No, we're about finished.
3, 4. And then we can go do a center.
All right. All right. Good job, guys.